The big day is almost here, and I know you're excited. It's almost time for opening weekend. So, task 5 is your turkey taco inventory. You have to figure out, using this recipe over here, how many things you need to purchase and how many batches of this recipe you need to make. Okay? Task 5 says opening weekend is coming up, and you predict that turkey tacos will be your best selling item. You need enough ingredients to make 45 turkey tacos. So if you look right here on the task, it says that this recipe right here makes 12 tacos, but you need enough to make 45. So you answer these questions. If you double the recipe, how many tacos could you make? So if you were to do this recipe twice or double it, how many tacos would it make? What about if you triple it? What about if you quadruple it? And quadruple it means do it by fours. So if you were to make this recipe 4 times, how many tacos would it make? So essentially 12 times 4. And then it says, will you need to double, triple, or quadruple the recipe to make 45 tacos? Explain. Explain. This is where you show your work. This is also where you use your race strategy for math that Miss Daly taught you. Okay? Now, here's the fun part. Here's where you start doubling things, tripling things, adding fractions, all the fun parts. It says, look at some of the ingredients. So here it has some of your ingredients listed in your recipe, like canola oil, onion, garlic clove, chili powder. Okay? In this column, they want to know how much of these ingredients it takes to make one batch. So for instance, if we look at canola oil and we come up here to the recipe, we see that we need 1 tablespoon canola oil for one batch. So right here, you would write 1 tablespoon. Well, now here it wants to know how much do you need to make 4 batches. So if we have 1 tablespoon for one batch, how many tablespoons will we need for 4 batches? Right, you would need 4 tablespoons. Okay? My suggestion to you is to look at all of these on your recipe and go ahead and write down how much you would need for one batch. Don't forget your unit of measure, like tablespoon, teaspoon, pound, cup. Okay? And after you've written down how much it takes to make one batch, then you can go back and do how much it would take to make 4 batches. On the next page of task 5, you're essentially just doing fractions with pictures. You're representing fractions for those pictures. And don't forget that it also says to write your answer. It has you represent your thinking and then also write your answer on each of those. Okay, so there is task 5. We're so close to opening day.